Hey guys, welcome back to TechNess Arena, your code channel for all things tech. Today, I've got an awesome lineup for our Python enthusiasts out there. The top 10 Python projects for beginners. If you're just starting with Python or looking for some cool projects to sink your teeth into, you're in the right place. Before we start discussing about these exciting projects, if you enjoy this content, hit that like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to TechNess Arena for more tech goodness. Alright, let's jump into the first project. Our first project is a classic to-do list application. This is a fantastic starting point for beginners as it covers the basics. It's like your first step into the Python coding world. In this project, you'll be creating a simple to-do list, adding tasks, and displaying them. It's straightforward yet incredibly foundational for understanding the core principles of Python. Project 2 brings us to the dice roll simulator. It's all about randomness and introduces you to the random module in Python. We won't be creating a casino here, just having fun with random numbers. In this project, you'll simulate rolling a dice, giving you a hands-on experience with generating random numbers in Python. It's a playful project that brings a bit of excitement to your coding journey. Security is essential, even in our projects. The password generator project dives into string manipulation and randomization. No need to worry about hacking into anything. We're just creating strong passwords. The task is to build a password generator that creates secure passwords with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. It's a practical project that emphasizes the importance of cybersecurity. Project 4 is all about interaction with the number guessing game. This involves user input, loops, and conditional statements. Don't worry, we're not building the next blockbuster game, just a simple guessing game. The task here is to write a program that generates a random number and the user tries to guess it. It's a fun and interactive way to strengthen your understanding of Python logic. Project 5 is a classic, a simple calculator. It reinforces your understanding of functions, user input, and basic operations. You won't be building the next scientific calculator, just a handy tool for basic arithmetic. The task here is to create a calculator with addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It's a practical coding exercise that you can use in your daily life. Moving on to Project 6, the BMI calculator. This one brings coding into the real world, involving user input, calculations, and conditional statements. The task is to write a program that calculates body mass index based on user weight and height. It's a practical application of coding in everyday scenarios. Project 7 introduces you to file handling with a word counter. We'll be reading files, processing text, and using dictionaries. No need to worry about writing the next great novel. We're just counting words. The task here is to open a text file, read its content, and count the occurrences of each word. It's a step into handling data beyond the code itself. Our 8th project lightly touches on graphical user interface with TKINTER. We won't be diving deep into creating the next big software, just a basic GUI application. Your task is to add a graphical interface to your calculator project, making it more user-friendly. It's like giving your code a visual makeover without delving into complex graphical design. Alright, let's keep the momentum going with Project 9. The prime number checker. This one introduces a bit of mathematics into our coding journey. We won't be proving complex theorems, just checking if a number is prime. The task is to write a program that takes a number as input and determines whether it's a prime number or not. It's a great way to dive into conditional statements and loops with a mathematical twist. Last but not least, Project 10 brings us to the world of string manipulation with the reverse a string project. No, we are not writing secret codes, we're just reversing strings. The task is to write a program that takes a string as input and outputs its reverse. It's a simple yet effective way to understand string manipulation and the power of Python in handling text. It should not be way too difficult for you if you understand string concepts well. Remember, the key to mastering Python is practice. So, grab your keyboard, dive into these projects, and make them your own. I hope these projects got you excited about your coding journey. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below and stay tuned for the next topic. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to TechNess Arena for more informative insights. And I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.